Hello, ladies. Hello. Sorry, we just realized we were
That's Debbie.
we were talking and it was filming. I'm Debbie, and this is my sister Cindy, and we're sisters in stitches. And we have been making videos since 3 o'clock today, and it's 9 o'clock at night. So we're getting a little punchy, but this is a very interesting box. It was sent to us to preview, and it's called Simply Earth. And just so you know, this company donates 13% of their profits to stopping human trafficking. So it's got a very good cause behind it.
And it is an essential oil company. And what they do is they give you a monthly box for $39, and you get 4 essential oils and you get 6 recipe cards. So it can be anything from beauty products to I don't even know. We haven't, but when you first sign up, you get the current month, and then they give you a bonus box for free, and it gives you let's see, hold on, let me just tell you what it is. The bonus box, everything that you need to get started. Here, take a look at this. This is the bonus box. So I'm taking it apart.
This is the bottom of the box. They send you all these bottles,
the vials, to put your different concoctions in.
And then the recipe box.
Well, don't open that. Let's show them the bonus box first.
Well, this was in the bonus box.
And you want to keep your essential oils in brown because you don't want sunlight to get to them. So they give you the little vial that you can, like shake out, to put in diffusers or whatever. And they also give you, I think, 6 of each, right? Mm-hmm. So they give you the little roll-in bottles. Now, this is all free when you start your subscription. And you always need a base because a lot of essential oils you can't put directly on your skin. So they give you a base. And this one happens to be coconut oil, but you can also use, they give you all the bases.
Well, here's coconut oil. Coconut oil, that's a coconut cream.
Right, and then this is almond oil, and I've always used almond oil as my base, but if you want to, put like an oil or something on your skin, you need a base to do it with.
Yeah, and see, this is a solid base, not the liquid
right,
base.
And so this is everything that you need to get started to fill your vials with your concoctions or something to calm your nerves and put on your temples or whatever. And then you also get some beeswax, some 100% pure, sulfate-free natural skincare. So this is everything you need to get started. And if you're really confused about all the essential oils, or maybe you're just getting into them, on their website, they offer you like
tutorials.
taking the mystery out of everything. So this is the May recipe box that we received.
So this is what the boxes will probably look like when you get them monthly.
So
this big box is to start you off. You don't get these bottles with every box. This will be your recipe box.
And this month is soap making. It's natural cleaning. Let this box inspire you to get cleaning. So they give you enough to make all of these recipes, which I will do off camera and then come back on and add. But it's a rose quartz soap, a sugar scrub soap, an herbal surface cleaner, a depuffing ice facial, Let's Be Frank roll-on, and an unwind diffuser blend. Oh my Lord. This is going to be so much fun.
This will be another video. I think what we'll do is we'll show you what comes in the box, and the next time Cindy and I get together, we are going to make everything, and then we'll videotape what we're doing while we're making it. So,
so be patient. I mean, this is just a lot. We just opened it up right now, but we will make everything because so you get, for the rose quartz soap, oh, look, so they actually give you
the soap base.
So you get the soap base, you get a 2-ounce melt, so you get these little melts here. And then this must be
that's what you put it in. That's what you pour the soap in.
Oh, yeah. See, it says 100% handmade. So we're going to make the soap.
That's to color it.
So what you do is, so you get the glycerin soap base. You have to use your own cornstarch. And then you do a pinch of this rose clay, some rubbing alcohol, 15 drops of the Tranquility. So what does the Tranquility smell like? And then 5 drops of the orange. This is going to be so much fun.
Ooh.
Wow.
Kind of smells like yin yang.
Wow.
The orange is going to smell good.
Okay, so that's what you would make with the soap.
Ooh.
Oh, it does. It smells like fresh
Just like
oranges.
you're peeling an orange.
So that's for the rose quartz. And then the unwind diffuser blend, you're going to use the frankincense with the orange.
I love frankincense.
Oh, that smells so good. So you put 2 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of orange, which we've already spelled, 2 drops of the tranquility, and then a drop of the oregano.
Oregano, this is what I want to smell. Oh my gosh. It smells just like oregano.
Wow.
It smells like oregano that you're going to put on the top of your pizza, doesn't it?
Yeah, so you can just put that mixture into your diffuser, or to make a master blend of it, it gives you, you can fill up like a little roller bottle,
like,
and it tells you how many drops to put in there, so that you can, you know, roll it on
your
when you
pressure
want to.
points.
Yeah. Wow, and you get a depuff ice facial. So you'd need a couple things, like you need coconut milk on your own, but isn't this the coolest thing? And I swear, Debbie and I we're gonna make all these things, and maybe I can make 1 or 2 before she comes back. I'll save the soap making for her to do with her, but I will come back and show you all the things that we made with these cards. So they give you all the recipe cards, and you get 6 a month along with everything that you need.
This is kind of nice because with the COVID and the stay at home and trying to stay away from people right now, this is something fun you can do at home with your kids, with your teenage kids, whatever. This is a nice, fun afternoon.
And they're all 100% pure. So it's $39 a month, but do you know how much some of these are alone?
Yeah.
They're expensive.
I don't know if you have Fruitful Yields or whatever like that in your areas, whatever health food store you would go to, but
because even
essential oils are not cheap.
Even the bases can go from anywhere from $10 to $20
Yeah,
for the
depending.
bottle.
But even the oils, depending on what the oil is, some of those bottles that small
Yeah.
are like $30.
Yeah, depending on the citrus ones are usually a little cheaper.
A little
'cause
cheaper,
it's
but-
easier to make. But isn't this a very cool box? I know it'll be even cooler when Debbie and I make all the recipes. Oh my gosh, this is so, I'm very excited to try these. Very excited.
I'm a huge essential oil person. I have diffusers. I love, Cindy turned me on to diffusers, so that's what I use in my house. I love that instead of candles because candles tend to give me headaches.
And they even give you like
To
little stickers to
put on your bottles.
Yeah, to put on the bottles so that you know exactly what it is. Wow, this is a well thought out box.
Very. So fun. Thank you so much for letting us preview
And if
it.
yeah, and if any of you have you know, previous boxes, if any of you have done it, let me know what you guys made, what you guys think, because this is going to be so fun. Very fun. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. We will show you all the products. That'll be a whole separate video using our month's worth of recipes. So anxious to get the next month. So thank you so much. Thank you. So,
So you'll have everything below.
okay, until then, or until you see our next video where we're actually making all the products, we'll see you soon. All right.
See you later.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.